Hey guys, today I am going to be reviewing this woodworking table that I got for Christmas. Also, excuse my voice, I have a little cold. The Pegasus folding work table on Sawhorse is a 5-star product, which is also recommended by Amazon. The pros of this table beat the cons. Some of the pros are that it is very portable, weighing only 30 pounds. It can support up to 1,000 pounds of wood, tools, and other materials. It comes with 2 clamps that have a railway system to be able to securely grab a piece of wood. It also has 4 stoppers that can be attached in various places on the board for a more secure clamp. If you need more space, it is compatible with itself, should you buy another workbench. They attach firmly and securely. A few cons are that if you're working with small pieces of wood that don't reach the clamp that you can attach it to may wobble a little bit in the rail. If you want to buy this and want to see it in action, go to my Hogwarts video, which I will link above. Also, the workbench is on sale from $120 to $100, so click my link in the description to buy it now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and see you guys next week.